entered the pole sitter, and he gets tagged from behind. He gets together with the car number 50 of Chad Branham, and they're still wrecking. His car's coming through. Whoa, another heavy impact, the 07 car. George Crenshaw. That was one heck of a lick. But as you can see, the visibility is gone. When these cars spin around and all that tire smoke, there is no visibility.
Here comes cars now, and they still can't see to get through it. You can't see these cars coming through it. So you can imagine what it was like while it was happening.
See Scott Weaver crawling out of his car. Avis Myers there in the car number 0.